you are on the channel Kristen and Isaiah. Today we will do wonders from colored door. Go! While I open the colored door, Kristen is playing his game.
Open me a box. Isaiah, open me a box. Thank you.
Knead the door. I sculpt an owl and Kristen divides the door into small pieces.
Boo, Isaiah, fear me.
Roll out the door. Kristen is a good student. He repeats everything after me. Using the mold, cut out a heart. Glue the heart to the owl. Glue the eyes. Kristen likes to sculpt. We make a beak and pose. Roll out the door and make 3 branches. Wow! Cut out the wings and we glue. Well done, Kristen! You will succeed! Using the shape, cut out the leaves. We glue it. Cut flowers. Wow! We cut out the castle. And so our surprise is ready. Here is a miracle we made. This is a gift for mom or friends. Like, subscribe to our channel and share with friends.